door locked?
Okay, hold on. I'm holding this door until Grandma comes.
Jenna, open your purse.
What does it say?
I just rushed to it.
For your second.
What does it say?
Open your purse for your second.
You gotta do it together.
Okay, wait, do it together.
Look at over here.
Together, wait, do it together.
Yeah.
Wait, do it together.
Jenna, not yet. Wait for me. Ready, set.
Okay, no. Okay, wait till you subtract hers.
Ready, set, go.
Okay.
Stickers. Alicia Atkinson, you have been invited to join us in Disneyland.
Keep reading.
Today we are leaving right now.
Right now. Your bags are packed. We're going.
Really?
Right now.
What's going on here? Where are you guys going?
Yeah.
I gotta stay with the dog.
Are you ready?
How are you?
Do you want to go? Don't thank me. Grandma got it for Mommy's birthday.
How many nights?
A week.
A whole week. Well, we gotta go. Where are you? Hey, hurry, go pack.
You said you already packed.
It's in the garage. Let's go get a